Greetings and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. Just a short video here as a follow-up to my previous video, which is some of my motivation was revenge and intense dislike for those who persecuted me. So there's a young man in South Africa who was grateful enough to thank me, and this is his comment. He says, "Thank you, Mr. Gabriel. If not for you, I would have been another meathead smashing limit theory into my brain without even understanding number." This person here has gone a lot further than any math professor has gone. He doesn't just see the basic concepts of limits and convergence and what have you, but he has caught on to what is a number. That is a profound and deep understanding. And of course, you can get that too if you download my Ultimate Book of Numbers. So the Holy Grail of Calculus tells us that the derivative, this is the Holy Grail of Calculus, by the way, this is the identity from the Holy Grail of Calculus, which basically just says the slope of a non-parallel secant line is equal to the slope of the tangent plus the difference. It's as simple as that, and it has been proved in my geometric historic theorem, which there is a link here, and I will place all this in the details section. So it tells us that the derivative is not some imaginary rise over run, which we guess as a limit, like that idiot Anders Kaysorg from MIT says, and then prove it's true, all the while knowing there is no finite difference ratio dy dx in terms of f, such that f prime of x is equal to dy dx, which self-destructs as the one endpoint of the non-parallel secant line gets close to the point of tangency. So, they're such idiots, mainstream mathematics professors. Every finite difference except the one that matters is the one that they have in their Cauchy sequence, which of course is just another phrase for convergent sequence. So the HGC tells us the exact ratio dy dx. There's no fooling around, okay? It tells us the exact ratio. This is the exact ratio. And there's no hand waving, no 6-month course on the bullshit of limits, real analysis, etc. The HGC also tells us that the integral is not some imaginary infinite sum like that idiot Riemann came up with, and it's well known today as Riemann sums, which self-destructs to zero area as the rectangles get too thin. So somehow you've got to imagine in your brain that as the rectangles are getting thinner, you're getting close to the value of the integral. But the HGC tells us that the integral is a product of arithmetic means, which in English is, a better phrase is level magnitudes, or in Afrikaans, platlyks. So this here is the arithmetic mean. Okay, this is an arithmetic mean, and so is this. And so to get the integral, we just multiply either side by h, and we have it. Okay, it's as simple as that. They deny these truths because accepting them and admitting error is an existential threat to them. They are pathologically jealous because they were not able to solve these problems, and someone outside of their sewer echo chamber revealed the Holy Grail, a simple geometrical truth that cannot be refuted, not even by the gods. More advanced alien civilizations would be laughing if they knew of the ridiculous mainstream formulation of calculus with its entire machinery of infinity, infinitesimals, and the circular rot of limit theory. One more thing that astounds me. Engineers and architects are the ones using calculus the most, and in some respects, some of them are the most fanatical about limits compared to the orangutans who built their job security thereupon. I have to say, though, that most engineers and architects do agree with me. This is at least one good thing. Only the lackeys and the sycophants, they don't stray from mainstream doctrine. The entire church of mainstream mathematics academia is a cesspool full of hurt anuses, revisionists, sexual deviants, and just plain intellectual stupids. I'm John Gabriel. If you're not already a subscriber, become one, click like, and follow me on academia. Till next time, goodbye.